If you're a beginner guitarist, I bet you your fingers are starting to hurt, or they've been hurting, and you're just going, I don't know if I can keep doing this. If I can keep playing guitar, if my fingers are going to hurt so bad. Well, I do have a small solution for you, and it's something that you could use temporarily. My name's Shelley Dubois, and I am a singer, songwriter, recording artist, and entertainer. And I've been doing this for over 50 years. And throughout those years, I've also been teaching guitar. And I really enjoy teaching people guitar because I like to see people get excited that they get to play chords and play songs. And who doesn't like to play a song, right? So your fingers are hurting, your calluses aren't building up yet, and you're just wondering if you can continue on playing the guitar. Well, I have one small solution, and I'm hoping it works. And I also use this for kids who have smaller hands and their fingers are hurting, older people as well, or just any age in general, because everybody's fingers are different. Some can build up calluses really quickly and others just cannot. We got soft fingers. So a capo. Can be purchased at a music store for about $25, $30 here in Canada. And you can capo up your guitar, like up the frets. And I would suggest about fret 2 or fret 3. And the sound of your guitar is going to change. This is without the capo. And this is with the capo. With the capo, what it does is it squeezes the strings a little bit closer to the neck of the guitar, so it's not so hard to press down now. So if you're finding that it's hurting the fingers, this can be a small solution for you. The capo is used for many other different things and changing keys, but that will be in future videos that I will explain that. But just for now, put a capo on your guitar, and I teach in other videos different key signatures so you can learn your chords. And for now, use the capo to make it softer on your fingers. But after a while, or even while you're practicing, try it for a while with the capo on, and then take the capo off so that you get a true sound of what your regular key signature sounds like without the capo on. So that's just a small solution for now. If you like this video and you want to share it with other people, please like, share, and please subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.